Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10th exercise 3.3 question number 2. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Firstly I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables. Because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. You can solve your question by two methods. First geometrical method, second algebraical methods. Geometrical method shows three systems. First consistent system, second inconsistent system, third consistent dependent system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line, inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical methods. First substitution method, second elimination method, third cross multiplication methods. You can solve your question very easily by the help of substitution methods. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the word with full concentration. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the word. Pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10 exercise 3.3. Question number 2. Solve 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. And hence find the value of m for which y equal to mx plus 3. It is clear? No confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. Clear? See the board. Given equation. Equations are 2x plus 3y equal to 11. It is equation first. And 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. It is equation second. And hence find the value of m for which y equal to mx plus 3. It is clear? Find the value of m where y equal to mx plus 3. mx plus 3 is given. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. By the help of equation second. By the help of equation second, 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24 or here you can write minus 4y on right side of equal. Clear? It become 2x equal to minus 24 plus 4y plus 4y. You can write it as x equal to 4y minus 24 by 2. You can cut here 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 12 जा 24. It become x equal to 2y minus 12. You find x equal to 2y minus 12. Here you can cut 2 1 जा 2, 2 12 जा 24, 2 2 जा 4. Clear? It become x equal to 2y minus 12. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Substituting. Substituting x equal to 2y minus 12 in equation first. Equation first. Substituting 2y minus x equal to 2y minus 12 in equation first. Clear? Equation first is 2x plus 3y equal to 11. 2x plus 3y equal to 11. It is equation first. Here 2 multiply 2y minus 12 plus 3y equal to 11. Now you multiply by 2 and 2y and minus 12. It become 2 2 ja 4y minus 12 2 ja 24 plus 3y equal to 11. You can write here minus 24 on right side of equal. Clear? It become 4y plus 3y equal to 11 plus 24. You add 11 and 24 and 4y and 3y. 4y plus 3y, it becomes 7y equal to, here you can add 8. It becomes 35. 4 1 5, 2 1 3. It becomes 35. It means 7y equal to 35. Y equal to 35 by 7. 7 1 ja 7, 7 5 ja 35. You find y equal to 5. You find y equal to 5. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now you put y equal to 5 in equation first. Now put y equal to 5 in equation first. Clear? Equation first is 2x plus 3y equal to 11. It is equation first. You put y equal to 5. It become 2x plus 3 multiply 5 equal to 11. 2x plus 5 3 ja 15 equal to 11. You write 15 on right side of equal. Clear? Two x equal to 11 minus 15. 2x equal to minus 4. You find 2x equal to minus 4. X equal to minus 4 by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. You find x equal to minus 2. You find y equal to 5 and x equal to minus 2. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is easy? Very good. Here you put the value of x and value of y in y equal to mx plus 3. Clear? Put. Now put x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 5 in y equal to mx plus 3. Clear? Y means 5 equal to m multiply x means minus 2 plus 3. 5 equal to minus 2m plus 3. Clear? You write 2m on left side of equal and 5 on right side of equal. Clear? 5 right side of equal. It becomes 2m equal to 3 minus 5. Here 2m with minus sign. When you write it on left side of equal, then it becomes with plus sign. It becomes plus 2m. Clear? Here 5 is with positive sign. When you write it on right side of equal, then it becomes with minus sign. Clear? Now you subtract it. You find 2m equal to minus 2. m equal to minus 2 by 2. You can cut it. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. You find m equal to minus 1. It is your answer. You find your answer very easily. You can solve any question very easily by the help of this solution. Solution is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Okay.